Factory halogen on the left, LED LASFIT reverse on the right. Do I even have to say anything? The factory halogen bulbs that come for the reverse lights on the 2015 to 2017 F150s, they're really bad. Like, they're about as useless as it gets. You throw the truck in reverse at night and you can see maybe 5 or 6 feet in front of you. Luckily, there's an easy fix to that. LASFIT sent me their brand new LED reverse lights. This install takes about 10 to 15 minutes with one tool. Let's get into it. The only tools you're gonna need for this job are going to be a socket wrench and an 8mm socket. Now, don't mind me, for this install, I'm gonna be testing out this Milwaukee Fuel Power socket wrench. I'm not even gonna tell you how much this thing costs. It's not mine. My buddy let me use it. If you guys wanna get this, check out the link in the description. It's expensive, but it's sick. Then all you're gonna do is just kind of push this away from the edge of the vehicle. Once you kind of pry the light housing away from the truck, you're going to actually just pull the whole housing towards you. Do not rotate the housing because there's 2 pins in here and you'll rip them right off. So very important. I've already done this before with another LED light, so it's kind of loose. If you have to use a pry tool, you can use it. But this popped off really nice, and then just pull the whole LED housing, or not the LED, but the whole housing unit towards you, and these 2 pins will come off. Super easy. The first pin's right here, second pin is right here. There's 2 holes. I'll show you exactly what those look like in a second. All right, you're just gonna pull that factory tail light back. It's gonna expose these 2 harnesses. This is the one we're interested in. This is gonna be the reverse bulb harness. Very easy, just a 1/4 turn. Remove the factory halogen and then just dispose of it in a way that won't affect the environment. Just be careful, this is glass. Somebody could step on it. Then we're gonna take our brand new LASFIT LEDs. These even look cool. Check these out. Got the little LASFIT logo right here. I'm excited to see what these look like. They're always super bright, really good company. Just plug and play. Nice solid fit. 1/4 turn, and we're back in. Just want to show you guys these pinholes right here. We got one right here, one right here. And then when you're putting it back on, you're also gonna have a little hole right here, and it lines up with this. So you got a total of 3 things here that you gotta line up. So just take your time, make sure everything fits properly, just give it some gentle pressure and it should go right in. That's what she said. Factory halogen, LASFIT LED. Huge difference. Doesn't even translate on camera, but this thing is like intensely bright. It looks really cool too. Get the little LASFIT logo there. Sick. Oh, this? Yeah, it's just the Milwaukee Fuel. Yeah. Tie the shoes real quick. Oh, yeah, I forgot.